Okay, today we're going to do a DC jack on the Satellite C655 series. That's the rest of the number. Hopefully that matches up to what you need to match it up for. First, take off your battery. There's two screws here. Screw here, screw. Every screw that you can find, take out. And then, once you get all the screws done, pop off the top bar. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 screws here for your keyboard. Be careful when you remove the keyboard. Just take and lift it up, pull it forward this way, and you will see a ribbon cable. You take and you push the black piece here, and your cable will be able to slide out. Now after this, you should be able to lift up your top piece. When you're taking the screws out on the bottom, there's one screw here for the hard drive, and you get this one screw here for the CD-ROM drive. You also have these two screws here that will keep the top part here, so you're going to remove these two screws. I forgot to add, you want to be able to take and remove this ribbon cable as well. That controls your mouse pad. And just take a small flat screwdriver between the case in here where your DVD drive is and pry up on it. And you'll begin to hear it pop. And more or less, you're just taking and getting this loose. There's one cable here I forgot. It's your power cable. Make sure you unplug him. Otherwise you're not going to be able to take it off. Use a pair of tweezers or something that you'll be able to take and get on both sides. You do not want to break any connectors at all. Believe me. And there's another connector. Hopefully that is it. Alright. Now, the DC jack is right here. And it's pretty straightforward. You've got a connection here. And all you have to do is just lift up on this end, unplug it, and you're set. Now, I'm assuming you already bought this off of eBay. I just bought one on eBay, and we'll see what it looks like. There. Should be the matching pair. Two black and two red. So, I don't think it got a clip. It might have a clip. We'll see. It didn't have a clip, which is fine. I had to take and remove the white wire for the Wi-Fi card. And I just pried up on the board, just a hair, you don't want to break anything, and gently pulled it out. And now I'm in the process of removing the original cable. Now, seems like it would just be an easy pull up, but somehow I'm gonna get a screwdriver underneath there. It's got just a little track there. See that little track? Just a little screwdriver underneath there, and it'll pop right up. And there, you've now removed the old junky one. So installation is the reversal of removal. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.